This is actually insane. We got all cars, everyone right now is just crazy recording right now. That's actually insane. Cold start. I think it's like 40 degrees right now. But right now we're about to head to the gas station because I gotta go fill up this car and grab Red Bull as well because it's gonna be a long drive. And this already looks crazy. And I think we're gonna do finish the rest of it whenever I do the PCV valve, because that's kind of an issue that I'm facing with right now. So I was like, you know what? Before I do the other half, might as well change the PCV valve because I don't want to do the other half and just remove that side. And it's gonna be a total headache. But right now we're about to head there. Then I think we're gonna meet up at one of my friend's house. I got the M4 right here. You got the M3 right here. Turns out there's one more person that's gonna come that got a G80 M3. That's gonna be, not gonna lie, a sick drive. And we're all like Christmas lights and everything. We're gonna head to a gas station. I told them because some of them on E85, and I told them like, hey, there's no point just going to random gas stations. I just all stop at one, all fuel up. I think that's what we're gonna do for the main part. But this is actually insane. M4, TTRS, M3, and another F80 M3. That's actually sick. We're gonna go on a crazy, like a 3-hour cruise all around town, and it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. I'm also recording another video actually. It's gonna be a POV drive. We have all the cars out, and it's gonna be insane. So you guys, what we're gonna do now, they're gonna get gas and we're gonna hit the road. We're doing rollers. Alright, bye. I have to hang up on him. Man, it's gonna be sick. Yeah, it's gonna be freaking sick. You can hear my car. My car is so loud. I'm not even joking. My car, it was. Why do you have me? I think there might be a cop up ahead, but I don't know why. Should I go in front of him? Yeah. Oh yeah, but right now there's heavy traffic. We're going to a nice area where there's like a lot of people. Are we talking? We're talking about a lot of people. But look at all this traffic. Look at his car glowing in the. Now he want to flex his icons. I get it. It's because I don't got icons. He's trying to flex with me. But now there's crazy traffic up ahead. But what we're gonna do is we're waiting for the others because they're really far back. I was trying to do a launch control, but it did not go as planned. But yeah, I think right now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna wait for the rest because they're really far back behind. But yeah, let me get you guys once we meet up with everyone. We're almost here. It's like all the way down there right there. You see that? Yeah, that's where we're currently headed. Don't mind the dash cam because I'm recording a POV drive. You guys check that out in the next video, or actually might be in this video. But yeah, wait, hold on, give me a second because it's gonna be messy right now. It's gonna be bad. It's actually crazy, I'm telling you guys. There's a lot of traffic, so I hope I don't accidentally hit somebody while driving because I'm currently holding the camera in my hand. I'm gonna try to shift like this. But I know there's a lot of red light cameras, so let's not try to. We got the G80 behind us right here. If you guys see that. And we got the TTRS and the F80 in front. It's actually insane. There's a lot of people already recording us, and my PC valve, it's going crazy right now. I need to definitely get that changed up before next week. Before I actually fully wrap this car, I need to get that changed up ASAP because I don't really want to deal with all the other problems gonna come with it. Right now it's smoking a little bit, and yeah, it needs to get done. But look at all this right here. The G80. We got them being jacks, just straight up revving it. But yeah, let me get you guys once we're at an actual place or driving around with this camera. Well, I was not expecting that many people out right now, but I guess there's hella people out. It's actually so sick. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna even find parking, but right now I think we're headed to a garage so we can park and we'd be able to get some sick flicks of everyone's car, and that'll be a thumbnail as well for sure. We got a cop right there, but I don't think he cares. He's smiling. Yeah, we got the GE behind us right there, and we got the TTRS and everyone in front. So I'm probably gonna continue recording on this camera and we'll be able to figure something out. Got a Urus right there. We got that. Bro, this is damn near like a rodeo drive. I'm not even, just like literally the same. There's so many people. There is nice cars. We got a Urus. We seen a McLaren back there, which is actually sick. One day I might get a 720. I need a 720, but yeah, it's actually so freaking sick. It's insane. I think we're just gonna get out for a second and kind of take flicks and stuff like that. I just said that already, but yeah, let me get you guys. I'm just feeling low-key doing the launch control right now. That shit is a little too loud, not gonna lie. It's actually crazy. Okay, too fake. Okay, too fake. Everyone's out right. This is actually so sick. I'm not even joking. But we got so many people out. We got the M3 right here, the TTRS, and then it kind of goes like a whole straight line right here. Now that, and we got the M4 right there. This is fucking sick. We got everyone out right now. Yeah, that's actually sick. I think we're gonna be here for a bit and kind of take some flicks. But you guys make sure you guys tune in. It's gonna be a good one. This is actually insane. We got all cars, everyone right now is just crazy recording right now. And that's actually insane. We got this dog taking a flick. He's taking a flick with this. It's actually so sick. Yeah, so we're gonna head to a spot to eat right now. And then let me get you guys once we're fully on there, because I think it's a long drive right now. But yeah, hold on. Yeah, so let me pick you guys up once everything is good. Oh, we got everybody. So we just got to the location. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I think they want to go grab some food. But he's gonna. Oh yeah, you're good. You got space. Yeah, so we have all four cars actually. It's gonna look so dope. I think right now we're about to head in there, maybe go grab food. I don't know about me. I'm good off that, but it's gonna be sick. We've done so much stuff this vlog, and there's still way more we still gotta do. We still gotta finish up the POV. That's another video, and I'm gonna do the PCV valve hopefully next week, and that'll be another video as well. But so far it's been crazy. We got people running on the street taking pictures. I'll put some clips actually, because I did record something crazy. It was insane. Hey, hey, Ibrahim. All right, so we're getting ignored. Let's go grab the better twin. Do you think it turned out good?
Dude, compared to last year, dude, this is actually insane.
Bro, this is actually, bro, I'm telling you, this year was so much better than last year. Like,
bro, Santana Row was tough.
Yeah, it was actually sick. We had people running on the cars. They loved it. But I think right now we're better head inside. So yeah, let me do that because I'm kind of thirsty. Right now we're better head to this guy's apartment. Down all the way, like really far, but right now we're just blocking straight up the bike lane. That's actually fun. That's actually crazy. And we got Sully right here. He's looking for the little booze, and then we got my M4 in the back. But I think for now we're about to head to this guy's apartment, and hopefully we'll be able to get like a dorm tour. That's 12 right there. You gotta be careful. But anyways, you guys tune in, and I think I'm about to end the video there. We're just going through the bike lane right now. That's actually insane. Everyone just straight up recorded. This is actually crazy. How do you feel? Did you expect it to be like this?
No.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, it's actually crazy. But anyways, let's not waste time. I do gotta pay attention because we're in a tight spot. Let me get you. We hit the jackpot. There's like a whole festival right now. There's a whole festival and there's a lot of people.
Oh, look, it's Elf.
Oh, it's Elf. Look at this mad
Are we going home?
Are we going home? Oh, damn.
What?